Besingenayo leyo nkosikazi. Sohlupheki.
You'll be powerless
Uzongabi namandla.
while you are having power.
Unamandla.
A powerless person
Umuntu
is
ongenamandla.
a person with power
Umuntu
who are
onamandla.
holding power,
Ophethe
who
amandla.
are hosting power.
Ophethe
But
amandla.
that power is working against him
Kodwa lawo mandla alwisana nawo.
because he doesn't understand himself.
Ngoba akaziqondisisi
Ubani?
ukuthi ubani.
What are you carrying?
Ukuthi uphetheni.
Bazalwane, you are not just normal.
Asijwayelekile.
Uma sewuzele kabusha,
If you are born again,
born of God,
uzele ngokaNkulunkulu.
there is a difference between born of God and being created by God.
Kunomehluko ekudalweni uNkulunkulu
Some of
nokuzalwa
other things are
nguNkulunkulu.
created by
Ezinye
God.
izinto zidaliwe uNkulunkulu.
Some other people are created by
Abanye
God.
abantu badaliwe uNkulunkulu.
But thina sizelo.
Kodwa thina we are born of
They
God.
give us power and ability
Lo kusinikeza amandla
to walk
nenkulunkulu.
like God,
Okuhamba
to
njengoNkulunkulu.
speak like God,
Okukhuluma
to do
njengoNkulunkulu.
whatever like God,
Okwenza yonke into
to command
njengoNkulunkulu.
things to happen,
Okutshela izinto
to
ukuthi
declare
zenze.
things, bazalwane.
Okukhuluma izinto
See, manifest them
zenzeke.
because we understand
Ngoba siyaqondisa
who we are,
ukuthi singoba
our true nature.
indalo
We
yethu
are not having a natural nature, bazalwane,
asinayo nje indalo
but we are
ejwayelekile.
carrying a divine nature,
Kodwa siphethe
a
indalo
nature of God.
kaNkulunkulu.
Because we are born of God.
Ngoba sizele ngokaNkulunkulu.
Mama wangithabathele esonweni.
Then David says, my mother led me to see.
Kami bakuzalwa kokuqala.
Which means when I was
Ngazalwa
given birth,
esonweni.
I was born to the sea.
That's why it's very important ukuzalwa kwesibili.
That is why it's very important to be born again.
Ngoba uzalwa ngamanzi nangomoya.
Because we are being born of the spirit and the
Yingakho
water.
ubizwa ngomntwana kaNkulunkulu.
That is why we are called the child of God.
That's why bazalwane usuphila ngama-principles akamoya.
That's why you live under the
Lithi
principles of
Bible,
the
walk in
spirit.
the spirit.
Bible lithi uhambe
Receive
emoyeni.
the things of the spirit.
Wamukela izinto zakamoya.
Walk by faith.
Hambe ngokukholwa.
Receive by faith.
Wamele
Because
ngokukholwa.
you are a spiritual being.
Ngoba umuntu wakamoya.
You're not just a man,
Awuyena nje umuntu.
a mere man,
Umuntu nje
walking by
ojwayelekile.
flesh,
Ehamba ngenyama.
walking by the principle of this world.
Ehamba ngemithetho yakulo mhlaba.
It's very, very important.
Kubalulekile kakhulu.
Light, light, light.
Ukukhala.
Lithi